Have you ever wondered how farmers raise and process pork every year? Today, we will explore the special process of raising giant pigs on massive farms. From the early days of piglets to their growth into full-grown pigs, what makes this process unique? Join us to learn more about the technology, techniques, and how these farms operate to supply tons of pork every year.
Farmers uphold the highest standards of quality in pork production by meticulously selecting healthy pigs, providing them with balanced nutrition, and adhering to rigorous hygiene measures throughout both the raising and processing stages. Such diligent practices not only promote accelerated growth but also enhance disease resistance. In the realm of preservation, diverse methods such as salting and smoking play a pivotal role in extending the shelf life of pork products, all while enriching their flavors. These time-honored techniques significantly contribute to minimizing food waste and optimizing resource utilization, ensuring that every morsel is appreciated. Moreover, the integration of modern farming techniques alongside digital transformation empowers farmers to elevate productivity and adeptly meet market demands for clean and safe food. This synergy establishes a closed-loop production chain, reinforcing food safety at every level of the supply chain. In an innovative stride toward sustainability, farmers are increasingly adopting biogas systems that convert livestock waste into renewable energy. This not only mitigates pollution but also produces organic fertilizers, nurturing the crops in a symbiotic relationship that benefits both agriculture and the environment. Aligning with global GAP standards emerges as a critical endeavor for ensuring safe farming practices. This regulatory framework emphasizes stringent quality control from production through to consumption, enabling farmers to meet the evolving demands of the market effectively. The harmonious integration of modern technology with traditional methods serves to bolster consumer confidence. This dual approach fosters traceability of pork products, thereby enhancing the market position of the Vietnamese pork brand on a global scale. Additionally, embracing digital transformation in farm management can significantly bolster transparency and consumer trust. It paves the way for new business opportunities for farmers, thereby playing a vital role in the ongoing growth of the industry. Addressing formidable challenges, such as the threat posed by diseases like African swine fever, is essential for safeguarding the integrity of the pig farming sector. Farmers must implement stringent biosecurity measures to mitigate associated risks and ensure sustainability. Furthermore, promoting a value chain linkage model between farmers and processing enterprises can stabilize market prices while enhancing product value. This strategic approach plays a crucial role in averting economic losses amid fluctuating market conditions. The development of online sales channels presents a remarkable opportunity for farmers, allowing them to transcend traditional market limitations. This expansion facilitates increased consumer outreach and generates heightened sales opportunities. Collaboration among farmers, businesses, scientists, and government entities stands as a cornerstone for ensuring product quality and safety standards in the pig farming industry. Such partnerships are integral in fostering a resilient agricultural ecosystem. Lastly, government support through preferential loans and comprehensive training programs is imperative in assisting farmers to adopt high-tech and clean farming practices. This support will undoubtedly enhance their productivity and ensure a brighter future for the entire industry. The journey of successful pig farming commences with meticulous breed selection. Here, the focus remains on identifying robust pigs exhibiting swift growth rates and exceptional meat quality, all aimed at ensuring optimal production outcomes. Common breeds such as Yorkshire and Duroc stand out for their advantageous traits. Equally pivotal is the aspect of healthcare. Pigs require vaccinations and a meticulously controlled environment, both critical in minimizing stress and warding off disease outbreaks. Thus, the vigilant monitoring of pig health emerges as a cornerstone for achieving successful farming. Transitioning to waste management, this facet of pig farming cannot be overlooked. Modern farms increasingly implement biogas systems that treat manure, significantly curbing environmental impact. Such systems not only protect the environment but also play a dual role by generating renewable energy. As we delve deeper, we find that renowned pig breeds like Yorkshire and Duroc each possess unique characteristics influencing their meat quality. The selection of these breeds hinges on distinct factors such as fertility and consumer taste preferences, further shaping production strategies. Furthermore, constructing an appropriate barn is paramount for maintaining pig health. This necessitates careful consideration of ventilation and drainage, with modern farms often choosing between closed or open barns, depending on climatic conditions. In the critical early stages of life, newborn piglets demand specialized care and a warm environment to thrive. Administering colostrum within their first 24 hours is vital, as it lays the foundation for their immune system development. Equally important is the provision of a balanced diet comprising corn, soybeans, and agricultural byproducts, crucial for optimal growth. On large farms, automatic feeding systems streamline this feeding process, enhancing operational efficiency. As the animals approach the end of their life cycle, fasting becomes essential before slaughter, facilitating a cleaner processing experience. Moreover, humane stunning methods, including electricity or CO2 gas, are employed to ensure minimal pain during the slaughtering process. Returning to the theme of sustainability, waste management in pig farming plays a critical role in preventing pollution. Modern farms harness biogas systems that convert pig manure into usable methane gas, thereby generating energy while mitigating environmental concerns. Moreover, the significance of balanced nutrition in pig farming cannot be overstated. It directly influences growth rates and overall herd health. Different stages of growth demand specific nutrient ratios, necessitating careful feed formulation. Finally, the implementation of automatic feeding systems significantly enhances feed conversion efficiency. By adjusting feed distribution according to the distinct needs of pig groups, these systems minimize waste while optimizing growth performance. In conclusion, disease prevention and control emerge as vital components for maintaining herd health and averting outbreaks of infectious diseases. Establishing vaccination schedules tailored to local conditions is essential in safeguarding the well-being of the herd. Farmers diligently implement rigorous health checks and vaccinations to ensure that their pigs remain disease-free, a commitment that plays a pivotal role in maintaining the quality of their products. This dedication, in turn, fosters unwavering consumer confidence in pork products, creating a bond of trust that is essential in today's market. To enhance flavor and extend the shelf life of pork products, different processing methods such as smoking and drying are employed. These time-honored techniques not only preserve the integrity of the meat but also cater to the diverse culinary preferences that resonate across cultures worldwide, making pork a versatile choice in global cuisine. Moreover, sustainable farming practices, including the treatment of pig waste for use as fertilizer, significantly contribute to environmental protection while simultaneously offering cost savings for farmers. This comprehensive approach aligns with a holistic farming model, paving the way for a sustainable future that benefits not only our current communities but also generations to come. As consumers increasingly seek clean food with transparent origins, farmers are prompted to embrace organic practices that eschew harmful additives. This rising trend, underscoring the paramount importance of food safety, reflects a collective commitment to health and quality that resonates deeply with modern consumers. Nevertheless, the pig farming sector grapples with formidable challenges, including epidemics and unpredictable market fluctuations. In response, farmers are compelled to adopt contemporary techniques that not only enhance productivity but also effectively mitigate risks, ensuring their viability in a dynamic industry. In this rapidly evolving landscape, digital technology emerges as a crucial ally. It optimizes production and distribution processes, empowering farmers to monitor both health and environmental conditions meticulously. This technological integration significantly boosts efficiency while reducing the associated risks that are inherent in livestock management. Furthermore, circular farming practices demonstrate a commitment to sustainability by treating pig waste and converting it into organic fertilizer. This initiative not only promotes sustainable agricultural practices but also effectively reduces environmental pollution, embodying a responsible approach to modern farming. In this journey towards improvement, livestock cooperatives and processing enterprises play a vital role, offering essential technical support and high-quality breeding options. Their contributions significantly enhance the overall quality within the pork industry, reinforcing standards that benefit both producers and consumers alike. However, the pig farming industry continually faces challenges, such as disease outbreaks and fluctuating market prices. This ongoing struggle necessitates the implementation of enhanced biosecurity measures and innovative feeding strategies to ensure long-term sustainability and resilience amid uncertainties. As the pork processing industry evolves to meet market demands, it increasingly focuses on a diverse array of products, including ham and sausages, to cater to shifting consumer preferences. This diversification not only enhances market competitiveness but also enriches the consumer's choices, creating a vibrant marketplace. Sustainable development within livestock farming remains paramount, with practices such as biogas systems and organic fertilizer production playing critical roles in mitigating negative environmental impacts. These innovations are essential for maintaining ecological balance and ensuring the longevity of our agricultural systems. Lastly, adapting to climate change is vital for sustaining pig health and productivity. By implementing modern barn designs equipped with proper ventilation and climate control systems, farmers can significantly improve farming efficiency, paving the way for a resilient industry equipped to face future challenges.
So, we've explored the process of raising and processing giant pigs. From the farm to the table, I hope you've gained a deeper insight into this challenging but fascinating process. If you found this video interesting and helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more exciting content. Share this video with your friends and family so they can discover this amazing process too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.